Keep cushions upright and reshaped while they dry to preserve their original form. Start by removing as much moisture as possible using absorbent towels and gentle pressing, rather than wringing to avoid distortion of the fill and inner seams. If cushions have removable covers, unzip them and dry covers separately on a low heat setting or air dry flat to prevent shrinkage. Then work on the inserts while covers dry. For foam inserts, stand them on edge in a well-ventilated area and periodically rotate to equalize drying and prevent one side from compressing more than another. For loose fill, such as down or polyester, fluff repeatedly by hand and use gentle percussion against your palm to break up clumps, while the fill is still slightly damp so it dries lofted. Use fans placed to encourage cross-ventilation rather than direct high heat, which can set wrinkles and damage fibers. If you have access to a dehumidifier, run it in the drying space to speed evaporation without raising temperature and risking shrinkage. For stubborn shape loss, reinsert a thin layer of batting or add a polyester fiber insert sleeve to restore volume while the original fill finishes drying. 3 common mistakes are stacking damp cushions, which traps moisture and flattens the fill, leaving covers zipped up so inserts dry unevenly, and using high direct heat, which can shrink covers and bake wrinkles into foam. To prevent flattening, always stand cushions upright or place them on edge with good airflow, and avoid stacking any items on top until fully dry. To ensure even drying, remove covers and ventilate inserts separately so each component returns to shape on its own. To avoid heat damage, choose air drying, fans, or a dehumidifier, and only use low heat settings if a dryer is necessary, checking frequently and reshaping while still warm. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a community discussion area where people share real experience and tips on projects like cushion care and upholstery maintenance. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, showcase their services, and respond to homeowner questions.